Hi, it's Mr. Hussain with the subject of interpreting taxing statutes. Our today's topic is court and jurisdiction. Court. Court is a governmental body consisting of one or more judges who sits to adjudicate dispute and administer justice. Adjudication. Adjudication is a technical term here. It means hearing the issue from both the sides and making a decision after examining all the relevant evidences. It is the judicial function that distinguishes a court from other governmental body. The judicial function is defined as the process of considering the proposal, opposition, and then arriving at a decision upon the same on consideration of facts and circumstances according to rules of reason and justice as held in P. Surendran v. State 2019, Volume 9, SEC, page 154. A court's power to try and decide the case is called the jurisdiction of the court. Jurisdiction may be original, appellate, subjective, territorial, pecuniary, concurrent, exclusive, and limited. Original jurisdiction. A court is said to have original jurisdiction if it is having power to hear and decide the matter before any other court can review the matter. A district or subordinate court is a court of original jurisdiction. A court is said to have appellate jurisdiction if it is having power to review and revise a lower court's decision. Supreme Court and High Court have appellate jurisdiction. They may hear the matter appealed against the decision of district court or tribunals. Subjective jurisdiction. Jurisdiction of the court may be subjective if it has been empowered to try certain subject matters. For example, a small cause court can try suits for money due under a promissory note or a suit for price of work done. Or a session court may deal with the criminal matters, or income tax tribunals may deal with income tax and allied matters only. Territorial jurisdiction is that where the court is empowered to try matters falling within the limit of a defined geographical territory. So suppose High Court of So a district court may try the matters falling within the territory of the district. Jurisdiction may be pecuniary if the court is empowered to try matters, the pecuniary value of which is within the defined limit. Pecuniary means monetary value. So a district consumer dispute redressal forum has the pecuniary jurisdiction of up to the claim amount that does not exceed 20 lakh. So a case before district consumer dispute redressal forum can be made if the value of the claim is below 20 lakh. Concurrent jurisdiction. Courts are said to have concurrent jurisdiction if their jurisdiction might be exercised simultaneously over the same subject matter and within the same territory. Their litigant is having the right to choose the court in which to file the action. For example, a criminal revision petition may be filed before the session court as well as the High Court. Exclusive jurisdiction. A court has exclusive jurisdiction if it has power to adjudicate an action or class of action to the exclusion of all other courts. For example, Supreme Court is the only court to try suits between union and state or between two or more states as provided in Article 131. Limited jurisdiction. A court has limited jurisdiction if its jurisdiction is confined to a particular type of case or the jurisdiction may be exercised only under statutory limits. A family court, for example, tries disputes relating to marriage and family affairs only. Benches of court. We might be hearing that there is a single bench decision, there is a full bench decision, so we should know what is the benches of court. A court is classified in benches as per the numbers of judges sitting on the bench to hear the case. Bench actually is a raised area occupied by the judges in a courtroom. Single bench court means a court with single judge sitting on the bench. Division bench means a court with two judges sitting on the bench and hearing the case. Tax cases in appeal before High Court and Supreme Courts are normally heard by division bench. Full bench court means a court with three judges. Constitutional bench is constituted in the Supreme Court with 5 or more judges. Minimum number is 5. It may be 7 or 9 or 11 to decide the issues involving interpretation of Constitution as provided in Article 145, Clause 3. Thank you.